Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and as you can see, yes, we have another package from Nail Reserve. So thanks to Nail Reserve for sending this out, and I'm going to go ahead and get into the colors really quickly here, but what I will tell you is I do have about 6 different colors, and that also I have a top coat, and this one is the matte top coat. Okay, so first off, let's get into the first color. The first color here is electric green. Now look at this green. This is not the standard green. This is a nice bright in your face green, which is probably why they named it electric green. Nice and creamy, goes on smooth. That was one coat. The next one here is like a milky white. That's what I wanted. The name of it is called Each Day, and as you can see here, it is a milky white. That is what one coat looks like. The next coat here, oh my goodness, is so pretty. This one's called Tanning Session, and this one reminds me of, I don't know how to explain it. I wanted like a coral color, but this is like a hot coral, if that even makes any sense. Okay, of course we had to have a purple. This one's called Fashionista Forever. This is a beautiful lavender color that I thought was perfect for the Easter time and springtime. This one also I chose because this reminds me of spring. This one's called Blossom, and what happens in spring? There are flowers blossoming. So I thought this was pretty appropriate. Nice. All these I'm doing in one coat. This color here is called Sea, Swing, and Sun. Now thinking of this, I'm thinking of, I'm on a swing that is facing the beach, sand, and water. Okay, and last here I decided to choose a matte coat. I don't have any matte nail polish, so this is the matte top coat. So I went ahead and added this on top of Tanning Session. As you can see, it definitely turned it matte. Okay, so I'm starting off with my nails here. My nails are done with polygel, and I did go ahead and put on these UV protection gloves on top of my nails after I had put on a base coat. So at times you may see me wiping off little lint here, and while I'm doing this, putting on this base coat here, well, now we've switched to Sea, Swing, and Sun. Now that we're getting into the painting portion of the video, let me go ahead and say, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, if you've seen some of my nail videos or hair videos or whatever videos I post and you like what you see, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Turn on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you like, what I'm working with, these colors, how I'm coming out with the, spring/Easter nail design, and you like, just someone who does a little bit of their own creativity. Give this video a like, share this video with someone, and leave me a comment. Okay, so you can see here I'm going in with the colors. I'm going to use every single polish that was sent in the package from Nail Reserve. Okay, and as you can see, they go on very nice. Most of these are opaque. The ones that are not as opaque is Sea, Swing, and Sun, and of course the Each Day, which is that milky white, and clearly the matte top coat. But for these colors, I'm only going in with one layer. That's it. Curing for 60 seconds. Then I'm going in with my art. And as I always say, I'm a beginner. I just have fun with this. I make it up as I go. But since this particular nail set theme is spring and Easter, that is what I'm doing. So I'm using every single color. Part of this set will be glossy, meaning I will use a glossy top coat, but then I make sure to incorporate the matte top coat from Nail Reserve because I want certain things on my nail to stand out. So we have different, it gives it a little bit of dimension, I think, So you'll see what I'm talking about here. And it wouldn't be Easter without the resurrection. So I made sure that, at least on my ring finger, I show what Easter is really all about, okay? He died and then he rose. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and be quiet, let you guys watch. I'm putting some flowers on here and just, just having fun. I'm going to be quiet for a while. We'll listen to some music and I'll be back towards the end.
Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could believe all the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truth. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why are you going on?
Okay, as you can see, I'm having fun here. Now I'm trying to draw me some tulips. Do I know how to draw tulips? Not really, but you know, I'm trying it out. I'm using 2 colors. I am using tanning session, and then I'm going to go on top of it with a little bit, I believe I use a little bit of blossom just to make it look like it's a mixture of 2 colors. And you may or may not be able to see it, but yeah. You know, we have Easter eggs. We have, of course, the cross. We have flowers. We have grass. And this little line I'm putting on here, I am going to leave that line glossy. So part of this will be matte and part glossy, but when you see the final thing, it almost looks like it reminds me of chocolate. I don't know why. And you know, chocolate, you know, people are eating plenty of chocolate on Easter. So I thought that would be included. And here I go. I'm going in with that matte top coat on the flowers, the crosses, I believe, or did I do it just with the grass? The flowers. I just want things to stand out here. So, you know, hey, I think this is another winning set while I'm practicing here. And you know, right here I go in with some flakes. This flakes here, yes, I needed something that made it clear where Jesus was. So yes, the flakes represented his crown of thorns. So anyway, I'm going over this with some alcohol so I can see the matte top coat again. But hey, this set is beautiful with these 9-free vegan and cruelty-free polishes from Nail Reserve. I love them. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great holiday. If you celebrate other than that, I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.